Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, where we're showing you things that have come into the shop, things that we are going to repair, or things that we've completed. So let us know if you can find something in your attic to restore. We're at mumfordrestoration.com or our YouTube channel. So this is a really cool old piece. It has quite a story that goes with it. We were thinking, wow, what is the age of this piece? It has full-size carvings, and then we thought, well, definitely European. We thought, well, could it be 18th century? And then the more we looked at the construction, we realized that this is a reproduction piece. This is possibly 1890. We're thinking, oh, Vanderbilt era. And so then we discovered, well, this big door folds down and the hardware has been changed, so it doesn't function very well. The craftsman would not have put that kind of hardware on it. It has kind of a looped secretary desk type hardware, and that doesn't work right. And then we realized, well, golly, the carvings up here are kind of Greco-Roman. And so we thought, well, that doesn't match with the either the Austrian or the English look that we have here at the base. So it's what we call married. This piece was taken from some other cabinet, some other large sideboard, and was placed on this piece. So they have been kind of married together. And so we're going to be doing a rejuvenation, repairing of cracks. There's some serious cracks in different areas. We're going to try to correct this hardware and change it back to the original. And we're going to be putting a new wax clear coat so that it's all spruced up. So watch for the after on this, but the customer wants to keep it married because it's part of the story, but at least we're trying to make him aware that this piece has really been changed over the years, and it looks like it's not quite as old as we thought. So pretty interesting. So watch for the final one. Thank you.